My name is Tim Nies. I'm a Defense Base Act attorney. I represent injured military contractors working for companies in contract with the United States government. Today I wanted to talk to you about your ability to work while still on DBA or Defense Base Act coverage. Overseas, you probably earned a lot more than what you earn here. A lot of my clients earn between $3,000 and $4,000 overseas. If you come back to the United States and want to work, most of the time you will be able to. The most important thing is that you have to find a job within your physical restrictions. So don't look for a job immediately before you come back, before you've been evaluated by a physician. For example, a client of mine just recently got a job working for a sheriff's department where he sits down in the control room looking at monitors and opening doors in the jail. This job allows him to stand up and sit down as often as he wants. It is a sedentary position. It doesn't require any physical strength to do the job, and it fits within his restrictions. This job, he earns about $600 a week. Overseas, he was making $3,000 a week. So the amount of wage difference he has from a job making $600 a week and a job at $3,000 a week would be more than the maximum compensation rate by the U.S. government, which right now is $1,510.76. So his pay through the Defense Base Act, this $1,510, would not be reduced by his job working for the Sheriff's Department. A lot of people don't understand this and worry if they're able to work that they'll lose all DBA coverage if they do work. This is simply not the case. In fact, it often helps a person's case out. For instance, the employer through the insurance carrier will eventually set you up for what's called the interview for a labor market survey. In there, they're going to list 20, 30 jobs, high-paying jobs, which for the most part you won't even qualify for, but they still list it. And they even list some overseas jobs. The best way to show your wage earning capacity, how much you're able to work now under these restrictions that you have. For example, the contractor who works in the control room at the sheriff's department at a jail, that's his wage earning capacity. That $600 a week is his wage earning capacity. The insurance companies will always try to find a way to pay you less. So what they'll do is they'll list these jobs, and they're really fantasy jobs because I tell my clients to apply for every one of these jobs in a labor market survey. And most of the time they rarely ever qualify for it. For example, a client of mine, a former Special Forces Sergeant Major, who really only knows military, doesn't know anything about marketing or software. Well, they listed software engineering type and software marketing type jobs on his labor market survey, high-paying jobs that he never qualified for. So I had him apply for every one of those jobs. And of course, he didn't receive any response from any of the employers because he simply had no experience in the software field. That was done simply to reduce his pay that they were paying him. Now, that case settled. He's very happy right now, and I'm very happy for him. But yes, if you find a job back here in the United States, go for it if it's within your restrictions. If it's not a high-paying job like you had overseas, there shouldn't be any impact on the money that you receive under the Defense Base Act from the military contractor. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Tim Nies. My website is defensebaseactlawyers.com. I was a insurance defense attorney before I became an attorney helping contractors. Before that, I served in the U.S. Army Rangers, the 3rd Ranger Battalion, until I got hurt. I would love to help you out, and give me a call 24 hours a day. Thank you.